Okay. Shall we start?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Good evening, Mansi. Please introduce yourself.
Good evening, sir. First of all, thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. I'm Mansi Sanjay Khawasi. I'm basically from Solapur. Currently, I'm pursuing my BTech degree from Walchand Institute of Technology under the course Technology. Information Technology. Uh, talking about my strengths, I have good communication skills and leadership skills. My short-term goal is to get a job in a reputed company, and my long-term goal is to be at a good position where I can build my career and also help the organization. That's it from my side.
Okay. Have you done any internships?
Yes, sir. I have done three internships. One is HTML CSS, another is PHP, and third is database management system.
Okay. So you have done the database management internship.
Yes, sir.
What is that? Means, have you done any like task? Can you just elaborate?
Yes, sir. Actually, this like including HTML, PHP and database. This I have built one full stack project that is on event management system. In event management system for front end, I have used HTML, CSS. For backend, I have used database and PHP. This event management system is a platform where people nowadays like we have many functions, maybe it corporate or non-corporate, so people can register on the site and they can search for the event planners or caterer place where they want to organize, and they can and the all and the amount which the event planner to conduct one event is all mentioned in their profile, and using that they can fill the form and book their slot.
Okay. What are the limitations of your project? Is there any limitations?
No, sir. Limitation in sense if the dates are available or not. If you have choose XYZ event planner and your date is on third, and if that on the third, if that event planner is not available, then they have to contact another event planner because those are booked in advance.
Okay. So can you tell me what is DBMS?
DBMS is database management system, which stores information, which stores data such that it can be easily retrieve, manipulate, and produce information.
Okay. So can you tell me what are the type of operation that we can perform? Means it performs DBMS type of operation on database.
Operation is insertion, deletion, updation. Whatever you can store the data by creating table, and you can update the data which you have already created. And by deleting, if you want to delete any record, you can delete. And there is many operations you can check the while you can give some condition, suppose one condition like voter ID, like only those who are above 18 they can only vote. So like such condition also you can.
Okay. Can you tell me some popular database management systems?
MySQL, PLSQL.
Okay. Then what about Oracle?
Yes, Oracle is a platform where we can use MySQL also, PLSQL also.
Okay. Then what is the database?
Uh, database database is an database deals is an organized collection of data which can be easily accessed and managed.
Okay. Means easily. So is there any difference between database and database management system?
So there is not much. So database is the data which we store. So there is not much more difference between them. In database is like where we store all the data, and a database management system where you can retrieve data and you can make process on those data.
Means there is no difference, much difference. Both are same like.
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Can you just elaborate in brief, like the difference between database and database management system in simple words?
Sir, simple, sir, in the name only it is database and database management system. Like you can manage those data as you can retrieve and you can update, delete, all those operations are performed there. And in database is database is the collection of all those data where you store.
Okay. What are the advantages of database management system?
Advantage, we can store large amount of data.
Then
You can access it anytime.
accessibility.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Accessibility.
Then what are the other advantages?
Advantages.
Okay. Then what is RDBMS?
RDBMS is Relational Database Management System. A relational database management system stores data in the form of tables. There is rows and columns are there. It stores the columns are the attributes. The columns are the attributes and rows that is the tuple in which the data like one by one the data goes storing.
Okay. And how many types of database languages are there?
Four types of languages are there. Data definition language, data manipulation language, data control language, transaction control language.
Okay. So what is the DDL?
Data definition language consists of commands, consists of SQL commands that are used to define the database schema.
Okay. And so what type of the operations, the commands are available in DDL?
Select, insert, update, delete.
In DDL.
Yes, sir. Select,
And
insert,
and
update.
and what about in DML? What are the commands are available in the DML?
DML, sir, evoke and
So in DDL, just can you just elaborate the DDL?
DDL. So DDL, it defines the database schema, means it used to create the table, select, insert,
And
and
in DML then DML.
truncate.
Okay. In DML then.
In DML, delete. Sir, I'm
Okay.
sure about details there in DML.
Okay. Then do you know any data model? Yes.
No.
Okay. Then can you tell me some OOPS concepts, object-oriented programming concepts?
Yes, sir. In object-oriented programming, we have polymorphism, inheritance, classes.
Okay. Then what do you understand by OOPS?
Sir, OOPS is object-oriented program. Sir, in inheritance, the inheritance is in inheritance. uh, the child, there are like the child class can inherit the data members and data functions of the parent class. So, like if means it is not necessary to define the same thing again and again. They can access from there also. So this becomes easy. So just
Okay.
a minute. Sir, my laptop battery was low. That is
Okay.
fine. So this was about inheritance. Then polymorphism. In polymorphism, there compile time polymorphism and runtime polymorphism. We have function overloading and operator overloading. So function overloading, the function name is same, but the number of parameters are different. So this also increases, like we need to define the same, like in the same, like suppose addition is there, we can give in one parameter, two parameters, three parameters. So need to define the different functions names. So this saves space also. Time increases the time complexity is increased. The code get executed in less amount of time.
Okay. And what are the object-oriented programming languages?
In Java, in Python also, we OOPS concepts are applied.
Okay. Then, is there any other language? Java is not pure object-oriented language. Is it true? Java is not a pure object-oriented programming language. Is it true or false?
Sir, false. Sir,
False means
false because we use to write a Java program, we use class function first of all. So most it is high level language and OOPS concepts are mostly applied there.
okay. Okay. Can you just differentiate between class and object?
Some
Class
uh,
and object.
class, sir, object is the instance of the class. When you define like and when you declare the object, like when you declare the class, then memory will be not assigned, but when you declare the object of that class, then only the memory is assigned to the
Okay.
variable.
Okay. Means uh, object it occupies a space in the memory, and a
Ye-
class it does not occupy the space in the memory. Is it true?
yes, sir.
Means class does not occupy any space in the memory.
Yes, sir. Like when you call the object of that class, then only it assigns the memory to the members that are present in that class.
Okay. Then is class declared once or multiple times?
Class is declared only once.
What about objects?
Objects, we can declare multiple objects of the same class.
Is object means can we create object without class?
No,
Yes.
sir. No,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Can you tell me the difference between switch and hub? Switch and hub. Do you know?
Switch and hub.
Hub.
Yes, sir. Sir, hub is at a single point, at a single node. Many other nodes are connected to a single node. That is called as hub. And switch is more reliable than hub.
More reliable means.
Means more means
Can you tell me the type of data transmission mode in switch and hub? Data transmission mode. Do you know the type of data transmission modes in networking? Yes. Like full duplex, half duplex. Do you know?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Full duplex. In full duplex, there is like from S1 to S2 the communication goes, and in half duplex, like if one is like walkie talkie, if one person is talking, then the second person cannot talk at the same time. After the one person completes, the second person can talk. In full duplex is like one to one conversation, like if I want to send mail at 10 p.m., the same time mail at 10 p.m. you also can send to me.
Okay. Can you tell me difference between the constructor and method?
Constructor, yes, sir. So constructor, there is default constructor and parameterized constructor. And constructors, constructors are invoked like if there even there is like methods, even if we the default constructor is invoked, even if we do not call it, like whenever we declare that function, the constructor uh, is invoked, and the constructor doesn't have return type. Methods have return type.
Okay. What is Java?
So Java is a high-level programming language. It has OP concepts. Uh, it it has wide application. Like it is used in Android a lot nowadays.
What are the features of Java programming language?
So features are, it is simple. It is has more complex. It takes very less time and to execute. It is more reliable, and it has more features than like C and C++. It has more features than C and C++.
What are
Like
those features?
sir, it supports OPC also, and it can like complex coding can be done in Java.
Okay. Then, how robust is this Java language? What is JVM?
Java Virtual Machine.
What it is?
Uh,
So in JVM environment, what actually it executes? What is JDK? Okay. Then what type of memory areas are allocated in Java Virtual Machine? The different types of memory areas. Yes. Okay. Can you tell me what is a platform independent?
that,
Platform independent means what?
sir,
Yes. And how you save the Java file with extension, the Java file extension?
uh, dot Java.
Is it true?
So just a minute.
Hmm?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
So for
Then
compiling, we use Java C dot file name dot Java, and for to execute Java file name.
okay, what if I write static public void instead of public static void? Okay. What if I write like static public void? If I write static public void instead of, as you know, PSVM, public static void main,
Yes,
what
sir.
happens? What happens?
So that function will be static function.
No,
Static.
whether it affects in execution
Sir,
or
if the
the
main
program.
function is not there, then it will affect. Otherwise, it will be considered the main function is compulsory, and and the static function will be the static function.
What is the default value of the local variable?
Garbage value.
Is it garbage value is the local means default value of the local variable?
Yes, sir. It
What
will
is the
take any random value.
what is the purpose of static methods and variables?
So static method is used for the static functions.
Okay. Okay. Can you write one Java program to concatenate some words and numbers, or you would just print print the some numbers? Write a Java program
Yes,
in online editor. You
sir.
just share the
Sir,
screen.
online edit.
Yes, you can share the screen. Okay. At least you just write it in open a notepad.
Sir, shall I do it in Sublime Text?
No, in notepad only you write down. You in the format, go to the format and increase the size of the font. No, you go to the format, you increase the size of the font. Format, font. You take it 35, 35, 36, 36. Take it. Okay. Now write a Java program to display the print message. Hello world. Just you just print a hello world message.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
System.out.println.
Huh. Yes, sir.
So once you execute, so what is the output of this program?
Hello world.
Can you open online editor, copy this program? Press Control plus plus. You increase the browser size. Hmm. So for your desktop system, audio is not there, right?
Yes, sir.
And the camera you are using, you are using the camera from mobile phone.
No, sir. From my desktop only.
And audio.
Audio from my mobile phone.
Okay.
Sir, shall I run this from Sublime Text?
No, here only you write. No, there is some mistake is there in the program.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Hello, sir.
Yes, yes. Now in the program you make a change. Okay, so you copy that the third line.
Yes,
Okay, copy it, and you in the next line also copy the same statement. Okay, so now in the third line you okay, print, and in the bracket write down before, no, no, you keep as it is, hello world.
yes,
Hello world, keep as it is. Okay, before hello world. Okay, uh,
yes,
again um, out of that double quotation
ah, yes, sir.
you write 10 plus 20, 10 plus
20.
20 plus. Okay, then for next fourth line is there, no, after hello world, after the hello world plus, after the, okay, 10 plus 20. Okay, now
Yes,
now you tell me the what is the output. Don't run it, don't run the program
yes,
without
sir.
now tell me the output.
30 hello world.
Only you will get 30 hello world.
No, sir. 1020 hello world.
1020.
On third line, 1020 hello world.
Okay, then in the fourth line.
So fourth line also same.
Sure.
Means hello world 1020.
Okay, run it.
30 hello world 10.
Hmm. Okay, see, Manasi.
Yes, sir.
Uh, See, first of all, in the last mock interview only, I told in the introduction only, you no need to tell your strength, weakness, and all. Okay,
Yes,
as
sir.
again you are repeated the same thing, and I think you are taking the help from someone else. Someone is sitting beside you,
No, sir.
or because your eye movement means, as per my observation, as like you are seeing at the right side, your eye movement will be there, and suppose if you won't get any question, you used to look at the right side, or like, hmm? So
I was like looking down for thinking.
yeah, but you should not do like this, because what happens is, it what my interpretation is, like someone is helping you beside, someone is sitting beside you, and like suppose if you don't know the answer, like they used to write it on the paper and they will show you, and you are seeing on the at the bottom to check the answer. Okay, as per my opinion, means as an interviewer, because in interview what happens, the interviewer video will be off. Okay, they so your video will be on, and they will observe your eye contact, your facial expression, how it looks. Okay, because the persistent, see, in the interview they will find, because in 10 to 20, in 5 to 10 minutes only, they will find how the candidate is. Okay, see,
Okay.
as you are cleared the first round in the persistent, but still you need to improve, like your coding skills and technical. Okay, try to revise it, try to revise it, and in the in during the interview, as few people they do, like some people like they will take the help from the others in the interview also. Okay, so you don't do such things, because the interviewer, they will identify, they will come to know in 5 minutes only how the candidate is. Okay, so try to like just go, as you have gone through the Java subject.
Yes, sir.
Okay, in the last semester you had done the practical and all, but you are not practiced. You are hmm?
Yes, I need to
So
practice Java, sir. I will do it, sir.
okay, so okay, you do it well, because even if you consider the your core subject also, it is like some of the concepts you are explaining well, but in some of the subjects still the some revision is required. And also like for your interview will be like 1 hour, and so based upon that, definitely they will give 1 or 2 coding statement. So in the internet there are so many coding questions are available. Try to revise it. At least, suppose if they ask Java language, at least you should know some basic. Even though if you are good in the Python programming language, but you are
Yes,
not practicing in Java, but at least some simple programs you should be able to write. Because in the
yes,
last mock interview, you said you don't know anything about the Java, even the features of Java also.
yes, sir.
You directly said no, I don't know. Okay, but but you should know, right? At least simple programs, at least the statement and or syntax.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Okay, you just practice it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, you